Hey guys, it's Hamza with CP Wireless. Today I'm gonna do something that everybody asks me about, right? Ever since the introduction of Claude Code, I have been just building with my business. First things first, the website. We need to know how to do a website. That is very, very, very important because it's 2026. Your reseller business needs a website. So I'm gonna show you step by step how to make a website with Claude Code. Once you get used to Claude Code, it's so addictive. So let me get into it. Let me switch to my PC and you follow my lead. I am using a MacBook. If you're using a Windows, you can still do it. With Windows, you need to use PowerShell. With MacBook, you need to use Terminal, right? We're gonna go to Shell, new window, all right, and we're gonna ask for Claude, okay? And after we ask for Claude, yes, I trust this folder, all right? And after that, Claude Code should open up something like this, all right? I'm not worried about this for the purpose of this tutorial. Make sure that you're using Opus 5. Do not use Haku or Sonnet. Use the smartest thing. I'm paying $199 because I use this all the time. If you're running a business, please pay the $99. Don't be cheap on yourself. You need Opus for this, all right? So we're gonna say Claude dangerously bypass permission right here, all right? So I copied and paste this. You copy and paste it. Oops. All right, that's it. I see you started a session. What would you like on? All right, so it bypassed everything. Okay, so I'm gonna tell her. So one of my vendors told me to make a website for him. He's a phone wholesaler, just like me. He gave me his info. Let me give it to you. And some people hate when I press that. I don't know. All right, so sure, give me his phone number and location, blah blah blah. So he gave me a couple of information right here. Let me see. All right, this is his information. So I'm gonna copy it. All right, and I'm gonna paste it here. And it says business name, location, contact. What's the site for? All right, so the site for is gonna be something like CP Wireless 1, right? Something like this, all right? Wholesale electronics, real relationships. We're in Miami, and you can see I want to buy, I want to sell. I have vendor portal, customer portal, inventory, price list. So he wants something like this, right? So I'm gonna give it something, to go off of, all right? So it's telling me what's the credibility, one pager. It's gonna be a one pager, yes. Okay, so I'm gonna say I'm gonna chat about this. It's gonna be one pager plus price list. All right, and make it look like cpwireless1.com front page. Okay, so good, one pager with a price list, building it now as a single self HTML. So he gave me his payment information, because in order for you to make a website, it's gonna cost some money, and I'm gonna give you the breakdown of the money that it costs. It's not gonna cost a lot. It'll cost like $20-30 a month, plus your Claude membership's $100. But bro, it's come on. You need a website. You need to do this, please, for the love of God. All right. It's gonna bootstrap, so we're gonna give it a minute. I'm gonna pause it here. All right, so we're back. So it did a bunch of stuff. One thing I did not copy. CP's proof row of 300 plus buyers. Yeah, I didn't copy that right here because that's mine. That's not his. Okay, that's cool. Well, I still need from him. How many years is in business? Transaction, customer counts, business address. All right, logo, domain, and confirm degrading tiers. All right, new CPO AB. So let me provide it with that information one by one. All right, so I just copied and pasted everything that I asked for the guy. But this information that I'm providing, if you guys are creating it for your own company, you should know this information. I'm creating this as a tutorial for you guys. So let me copy and paste this to Claude Code right here, and we'll be back. All right, so far we got the business Dolphin Global Trading Inc. This is the address, this is his contact, this is his Gmail. Deals, he deals with new, sealed, locked and unlocked, AB, domestic and Dubai, wire, Zelle. He has 10 years experience. Now, they need a domain, logo, and proof of numbers. There we go. Dolphin Trading Global. So let's do like Dolphin Global, dolphinglobal.com. Okay, and the logo, he gave me the logo, so I'm gonna provide it. Let's do that. Then let's go to the logo. This is the copy. We're gonna paste it right here. Let's drop it right here. Okay, and we'll let it simmer for a little bit, and we'll be back. All right, so when I told it to do dolphinglobal.com, it wasn't available, so this one was available right here. dolphinglobaltrading.com. $13 to register it, $13 a year. That's what I'm gonna do. The logo, sharp mark, okay. I can't write it out myself. I can save it here. So I saved it to my folders, and so it's gonna save to your folders. Now, I recommend everybody to get GitHub, all right? A GitHub account, which is GITHUB. All right, and this one is free. You can save everything that you've done through Claude, and you can save it right here. So everything that I've done some chatbots, price tools, websites, exchanges, Sniper, Wholesale. I've done an application on this. All my projects, I've done them on GitHub, and it's free. Just in case you lose some of the work that we do here, you can save it on GitHub, and it can pull it from your GitHub in case your PC turns off or something like that. Okay, now it says I cannot write it out myself since it came out through the chat. Save it right here. So it needs the logo. So I'm gonna go back to the chat. All right, I'm gonna save it to downloads, and I'm gonna go right here to downloads. Oh, I should be right there. All right, and we'll be back. Okay, so I submitted the logo, and I told it that it told me that globaltrading.com is not available. Dolphinglobaltrading.com is available. $13. Yes, let's go with that one, please. So it's gonna, now we just need to buy the URL. Okay, so this is where we're at right now. We need to grab this URL, and we need to go to Cloudflare to register for it. So we're gonna go to Cloudflare register right here, right? And let's see, no, Cloudflare right here. Okay, and we're gonna do dolphinglobaltrading.com. So dolphinglobaltrading.com. Search it. Okay, and there it is. We're gonna purchase it for $10. All right, and we're gonna do, like I said, get you a GitHub. A GitHub, you can share with the next person. You can, when you do the project, I'm gonna do GitHub. When I do the project with this individual, he's gonna create a GitHub account, and I'm just gonna give it to him. It's that easy. So I'm gonna continue with my GitHub account. We're gonna authorize Cloudflare. Okay. All right, we're back. So we're gonna fill out all this information. Your first name, last name, blah blah blah. Make sure you censor this information out. After that, we're gonna do pay for global for 1 year. It's gonna cost us $10. All right. So we bought the domain for $10. My guy gave me his card. It's gonna cost $10.46. Card ending in 4650. Let's see. We're purchasing, and your domain is on its way. Bam. That's it. We have purchased a domain. Now this Dolphin Global Trading is gonna be his. All right. So all we're gonna do is take a screenshot of this, right? And just send it to Claude. You can send the screenshot, you can copy it, you can be like, hey Claude, it's done, I paid for it, instead of a screenshot. Or you can type it in. I like to send screenshots. I like to show Claude what's happening right away. All right, so Claude is gonna tell me what to do next. All right, so it's telling me to do this, to check. Okay, we're back, and you said 2 things to do in Cloudflare: verify ICANN email redirect rule. Now, I don't know what the hell that is, and you need to milk Claude as much as possible. I don't know how to do that. Do that for me, please. Okay? Like, I keep telling it, hey, do that, until it like gives up, until it's like, hey, I did everything I can, but you have to do this. And that's when I do it. All right, so let's check back what it's gonna do. See, and I told you that I milk Claude. So I asked it, and it said something was blocking the dash cloudflare.com, blah blah blah. I don't know. I don't care. Just do the website for me, bro. Okay, anyways, it says make sure that cloud icon is orange, not gray. Gray routes visitors around Cloudflare and their certificate never issues. Step 2 and 3 cover the ICANN email, blah blah blah. 2 things worth knowing. The site is already live. This right here, you can send him the thing. So let's check it out. Let's check this out real quick. We just built the website within an hour. I would say an hour, back and forth. And that's because I had the wrong thing, right? So it looks exactly like my website, CP Wireless 1. So what I would want it to be doing is to change the colors a little bit and to just make it a little bit different. But he buys iPhone, Samsung, Android, use AV stock, how we grade, this is how we straight. Send your list, get price, confirm shipping. All right, so I'm gonna put contact us right here, right, and I'm gonna put his phone number. So this is what I'm gonna do. So I like the website so far. Is just make it with different colors than CP Wireless 1, although the logo looks like that, and make sure you have an icon on the front where they can cut. Okay, and it said why I couldn't do the DNS myself. It said if you set your Cloudflare and can you transfer that website, this right here, to the website that we bought? Just make sure you act stupid with it. I don't know how to do anything with the website, but I'm telling you, the more you write into Claude, the more it's gonna give you back, right? So just make sure you sound clueless, because they'll probably think you're stupid anyways. And I don't care. As long as I have a nice website, you can think of me however you want. So let's just see what it comes back with. Okay, so they're telling me about the ICANN email verification, and I didn't know what that is. I just had to check my email. I checked it. It's just to verify it. I did verify it, and now I have Dolphin and Dolphin. So, all right, email verification is done. Let's do this thing. And it's live. DolphinGlobalTrading.com is live. All I had to do was do the verification. All right, and if we go right here, let's check it out. Let's copy it, paste it. Look, I changed the color. It's like a light green now. Okay, it looks good. It looks good. And look, WhatsApp us. Open WhatsApp. He got the logo already all over here, professional. Okay, perfect. We made a website for this guy today. So Claude Code, we told her what to do, right? We registered the domain, we registered the wrong one, and then we registered the right one under Cloudflare, which is crazy. I thought it was a music website, and we had to verify it through the app. And it told me to do anything, and literally told it, no, you do it, no, you do it, you do it, until it was like, yo, bro, like, check the emails, just verify it, I got everything. And honestly, we made a beautiful website. All right, guys, if you enjoy my tutorial, I can show you a couple of stuff that I've built, or we can build together on my channel. If you do like this content, like and subscribe below. I just made a reseller website. Thank you. My name is Hamza. Salam alaikum.